Why can your containers talk by name in Compose but fail in raw Docker? Docker has a built-in DNS server embedded directly in the engine. When a container tries to reach another container by name, Docker intercepts that DNS query and resolves it to the target container's IP address automatically. This is powerful because container IPs change on every restart. Referencing containers by name instead of IP keeps your architecture stable. Here's the critical detail. This automatic name resolution only works on user-defined bridge networks. When you create a network with Docker Network Create, Docker connects every container on that network to its DNS server. Any container can reach any other by name or container ID, instantly and in real time as containers come and go. The default bridge. The network Docker assigns when you don't specify one does not get this DNS feature. On the default bridge, you're stuck with the legacy -- link flag or manually tracking IP addresses, both fragile approaches. Docker Compose sidesteps this entirely by automatically creating a user-defined network for each project, so service names just work. Kubernetes extends this further with cluster-wide DNS entries per service. To nail this in an interview, Docker's built-in DNS resolves container names to IP addresses, but only on user-defined networks, not the default bridge. Follow for more Docker interview tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.